Hey everyone, welcome back to the Lux Fiat channel, and today we're going to be going over how you can get yourself some Pandagirl. It finally released from pre-sale after the problem that it had from the first pre-sale, so it ended up being perfectly fine, and I ended up pulling out my initial investment and riding the moon bag from the pre-sale, and now we're released. So I'm going to go over how you can get your hands on it, how you can buy it, two different ways, two separate exchanges. So let's get right into the video. Okay, so here we are on Pandagirl.io. First off, you're going to want to get the contract address from a trusted source, whether that be from Telegram. Also, if you're in the Telegram, I noticed a lot of people like to make scam groups and everything. The best way to combat that is if you really care about the project, you're going to hold long term. If you're on Telegram, just pin the group and it'll save you from any scam groups. You'll know which one's which, and that's just a little disclaimer from me and some information to you so you can stop scams. So just pin your Telegram groups. Make sure you're getting your contract address from a trusted source, like the website, like the Telegram, like the socials, anything like that. Don't get it from a third-party source, otherwise you're asking to be scammed. Anyways, let's get into this. So first off, on Pandagirl.io, you're going to want to scroll all the way down to where they find the contract address, which I believe is right here under tax and tokenomics. It's a 12% tax, but once you go here, you can go ahead and just copy this. Let's make sure it's the right one. So now that you have that copied, we're going to go over POOCOIN first. Okay, so here we are in POOCOIN, and the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to connect your wallet up here. You can connect MetaMask Trust Wallet. It's going to automatically connect. If you haven't connected to the site before, it might have you sign a couple things. I'm just going to go ahead and log out real quick. Okay, so now we want to copy paste the correct contract address that we got from a trusted source. It should pop up as Pandagirl. Click on that, and here we are. Here, POOCOIN will show you a chart. Right now, we're looking pretty bloody, to be honest. But in the end, I do think this project is going to be very big. If we go back to the website, we could look. We are literally right here on the roadmap. So all this extra stuff that's going to happen, you're still pretty early on this project, I believe. That's not financial advice, of course. That's just information so that you can make your own decisions. But take this with what you will. We are just getting started. The coin did just launch. There's a lot more ahead of it. Anyways, what you're going to want to do is, so you have your wallet connected, and when you want to trade, there's this button here that says trade. All right. So now this will pop up. You just want to keep auto slippage on. I'm going to buy 0.02 of some Pandagirl just to show you guys. You might have to, no, you don't have to approve it, but if you want to trade Pandagirl back to BNB, you have to approve the contract and all that. But let's just buy 0.02 of some Pandagirl just to show that it works. It'll bring up this. We're going to pay gas fees, and we're just going to wait. I'm going to wait for it to go through. Waiting. Sometimes it takes a while. Sometimes it's super quick. Sometimes you just don't know. Sometimes it'll take a couple hours. We don't know. Hopefully it doesn't take that long. As you can see, slippage for Pandagirl is 14%, so make sure you're setting it accordingly. We'll go over that on PancakeSwap. For this one, it doesn't really matter too much because it does do it completely automatically. And there we go. We got our Pandagirl. If we want to go ahead and reload the page, you see here, I bought about 500 billion coins with that. And so, yeah, that concludes POOCOIN. We're going to move over to PancakeSwap and show you how to do it on that, just so you have two separate ideas of how to buy it and choosing which platform you recommend. So here we are on PancakeSwap, and here's the home screen. I'm going to disconnect my wallet just for sake of tutorial. And so you're going to get this screen, right? It's going to say connect wallet, trade now. Obviously, we're going to connect our wallet, MetaMask, and all of the videos that you're going to need for this video are going to be in the description below. I'm sorry I didn't say that earlier, but every video you need will be down below. So after you connect your wallet, go ahead to trade now and select currency. I already have it added, but for the sake of the tutorial, we're going to go back to the website, go to tokenomics, scroll down a little bit. We are going to copy and we're going to paste here. We're going to choose it. It's going to ask you to import and sign, and you're going to pay a slight gas fee for it. That's about it. But after you do that, you'll be able to trade it. So now we'll buy a little bit more. We'll buy the same amount, 0.02. I have my slippage tolerance at 22. But last night when it was going crazy on release, it was very hard to get orders through. So we actually had like 20% slippage on our buys, which was pretty mad. And once you do that, you have slippage at 14%. We're going to go to confirm swap. It's going to give us the same prompt. Hit confirm. Transaction submitted. You can add P-Girl right from that. Where it says add P-Girl to MetaMask, go ahead and click that, and it'll do it automatically for you, so you don't have to go and find the contract. But we'll go over that right now too, just so you know how to add Pandagirl to MetaMask, just so you don't have to worry or rely on something else adding it to your wallet for you. So let's go ahead and do that. Transactions just went through. I just bought about 1 trillion coins, which is equivalent to about 20-30 bucks. But let's go to our MetaMask. So I already have it added, obviously, so we're going to go ahead and hide it just for sake of the video. All right, so you have your MetaMask. You're going to go all the way down to import tokens, and you're going to make sure you have the contract address from the website. So let's go ahead and copy this again. Always use a trusted contract address. I can't stress that enough. Go back to MetaMask, import tokens, make sure you're pasting the right address. It'll fill in the rest of the stuff for you, and you just hit add token, import tokens, and boom, we're back to where we were. And all my tokens are there, and that concludes the buy section of this video. So guys, I hope that video was informative and helpful. If it was, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe down below, as well as a comment. I really like commenting and replying to your guys' comments. The last video where we were talking about Pandagirl the first time is now over 250 views, which is crazy. It's, you know, we're still a new channel, so to get something with 250 views is pretty crazy. So I just want to say thank you guys for that, all the likes and all the comments. I really appreciate it. This channel's been growing very rapidly lately, and I owe it all to you guys. So thank you guys so much. I'm going to keep you up to date and informed about all the projects that we think are going to be coming up in the world. Remember, it's not financial advice. It's just providing you the information to make informed decisions on your own. That way, even you can start finding these projects for yourself and sharing it with other people. Not financial advice, obviously, but, you know, just sharing it with them. Be like, hey, I think this project's really good. Look into it. So that's what this channel's for, and I hope you found it like that. Without further ado, I'm going to end the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.